DJ Scott here with Tech1Factory. Let's dive right in. Why do entrepreneurs hire Tech1Factory to build their app idea? Well, flexible payments and also requiring only 20% down to start a project is one big key indicator. As well as located in the United States and always reachable through our platform Basecamp, email, and even calling and text message direct. As well as we also prepare some milestones. We don't move forward or request the next payment until we both approve the work that has been done together. What makes Tech One different from other software development companies? We stand behind what we say to our clients. We never come back and add extra fees or we hide fees in our agreement. We also take accountability in completing the project no matter the hours we go over building it without any extra costs. Again, at Tech1Factory, we stick to our agreement with our clients. What is the workflow like at Tech1Factory? Let's go through this series of steps. Number 1, consultation and collaboration. Before we code, we learn. We unravel what you want, commercially, technically, and personally. And then we scope, quote, and plan out your project. Number 2, design and UX. How will your customers use the app? What will the app look like? Branding, colors, buttons, layouts. Our design team takes the lead on this stage. Number 3, build and develop. This is our favorite part. This is where we turn your idea into an actual app. And it's the best part. The best part is we've developed multiple apps for iOS and Android and even web apps. With us, your options are endless. And number 4, review and adapt. Time to run through the app, hunt down and squash some bugs, add some final tweaks and polishes. Number 5, launch and onboarding. Now let's get your app into the wild. We'll get it through the App Store, approval processes, and make it accessible to your customers for downloads. You're live now, baby! Number 6, maintenance and support. Our service doesn't end with the launch. We keep your app running and updated as long as you need us to. Because we always here for you. We always here for you. It makes my team special at Tech1Factory. And, off the script, I'd love to say that, I think we're a very unique makeup. Me coming from the inner city and not having the opportunities at the time when I was living in the inner city and what you want to say the rougher areas of Atlanta, Georgia, I think that not having the exposure but getting lucky to meet the right person is how I got to where I am today. My co-founder also, who's not here at this moment during this video, is Michael Belihu, which is an Ethiopian native. And I think that our relationship shows that, as black men from different worlds and different parts of the world, we can still come together and work together. And I think that's what makes us really special, being that we have both African Americans and also Africans on our team. Collaborating and working together under one goal is very unique. It's been a bridge that's been broken for hundreds of years, and we're here to repair it through technology. So we're really excited about that, and we hope to be able to share our experience internally with working with different, cultures and diverse groups of people of color. We're really excited to hopefully rub that off on our client base as well. African American entrepreneurs hiring and working with Africa's brightest talent located in Africa, truly making a change in the black race globally. That's what Tech1Factory stands for, and that's who we are.